Hi, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered website creation with 10Web AI Website Builder. This tool uses artificial intelligence to help you create professional, responsive websites in minutes. And yes, no coding required. I'll guide you through its features, show you how to build a website step by step, and share some tips and tricks to make the most out of it. Let's get started. First, visit the 10web.io website, then press the Generate Your Website button. Then you will be taken to this page. There are three options here. Create a new website with AI, convert non-WordPress to WordPress with AI, or migrate WordPress site. Because we are here to create a website from scratch, then we choose the first option. Next, you will be asked what type of website you want. In this case, I will choose the second option, create website with online store. After that, you will be asked again, what type of online store do you want? Look, we are given several suggestion options here. Let's try the auto parts store. Then you have to explain the name and description of your store. In every question they ask, make sure to provide the information as detailed as possible so AI can work optimally in creating the appropriate website design and content. Here I will create a website that will sell motorcycle and car parts. And here we can also write the domain name we want if we don't have one yet. Maybe autoparts.com sounds cool. Look, I get 3 product category suggestions. Looks good for me. After that, they will generate our site based on the information we have provided earlier. See, they generates the appropriate section. And look, we are also given more than 2 pages at once, even with those sections in it. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, we get car parts, bike parts, accessories, performance and maintenance pages. Let's say we are not satisfied with the results. Here we can also add new sections for the homepage. And look at this, so many section recommendation. Let's try adding a testimonial section. And here we can also change the section title. And there is also a prompt column. There is also AI assistance to improve the prompt. The better the prompt we give, the better the result. And if you feel that you don't have enough pages, you can also add new pages by pressing this button. Here I will give an example to create our partner page. We need to wait a moment for the AI to generate our command. And of course, they will provide appropriate section suggestions too. At this stage, you can also delete sections and pages too. If everything looks good, we press the next button. At this page, we can change the style of our website. Here we are also given suggestions for a good color combination. This is one of the advantages of 10Web AI, where other parties usually do not provide this kind of suggestions. If it feels good, let's hit the Generate button. Whoops, you are asked to log in first. Now they will generate our website. There you go, our website is finished. Let's take a look. Ooh, this website is amazing. Look how nice and HD the content they made is. By the way, you can also see your website in mobile mode. Wow, this is very cool. Anyway, on the other tab, you will be directed to the dashboard page. Look, here is available information on the access speed of your website. Not only this, there are many cool features, such as Website Booster, WordPress Management, Hosting Manager, SEO Toolkit, Content Management Tools, team collaboration, backup and restore, security scanner, analytics integration, and many others. 10web stands out for its integration with WordPress, which is ideal for users looking for flexibility and scalability as their business grows. 10web AI Website Builder is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to create a stunning professional website without learning code. Whether you're starting a business, a blog, or an online portfolio, 10web offers the tools and simplicity you need. Try it out and let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you on the other video. Bye!